Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to easily copy a WordPress page or post to another website. Alright, so let's begin with the video. Start by opening your web browser and navigating to your WordPress website. With your dashboard open, locate the Tools section on the left-hand menu. Click on it, and inside this section, you will find an option labeled Export. After clicking Export, you will be given the choice to export either pages or posts. Select the type of content you want to transfer, and then click the button that generates and downloads the export file. This file contains the data from your selected content in a format ready to be imported elsewhere. Once your export file is saved, go to the website where you want to import the content. On the new WordPress site, look for the Import option, usually located in the same Tools section. Click Import, and then choose the WordPress option from the list of available import tools. In some cases, you may also see a choice like Import Content Only, which means you will bring over just the text and media files without changing any site settings. After selecting the WordPress import option, you will be prompted to upload the file you previously downloaded. Browse your computer, select the export file, and confirm the import. Once the file is uploaded, the import process will begin, and shortly after, your pages or posts will appear on the new website. And that's it. So that is how you can easily copy a WordPress page or post to another website. So that's all for this video. Thanks.